Page 11, Intermezzo. Well, let's go through our system. There's nothing new here. We're just using both hands. Again, just one hand at a time though. But same notes we've been using. So let's go through our process. Look it over. It's 1 page long, or 4 lines long, whichever. Treble and bass clef. 4/4 time signature. I see quarter notes and half notes and whole notes. We've had all those. We're using both hands, but it's only one hand at a time playing. And I might go ahead and mention, since I don't have a lot to talk about here, and I could review everything, but we got time for that, is when you take both of these stabs together and you hook them together with a vertical line and you put that curly brace in front of it, that whole mess, that's called a grand staff. So piano music uses the grand staff. Any instrument that has a lot of notes needed and it can use a grand staff. You know, organ players, harp players, who knows? Anybody who needs a lot of that stuff can use a grand staff. It's the curly brace that identifies it as a grand staff. Just keep that in mind. Again, I like to do it just one hand at a time at first, but since we're only playing one hand at a time, I'm going to go ahead and take both hands together to shorten the video. What we want to do first is drill yourself on the names of the notes. So forget the rhythm. Just you're starting third finger here, and the left hand starts here. We're still in middle C position. And just say the note E, 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 C, 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 B, C, D, G, E. Second line, go through and say the name of the note and drill yourself. Go as slow as you gotta go, it doesn't matter. You gotta know the names of these notes. Please don't be writing in the names of the notes in the music. We need to memorize these as quickly as possible. We have a lot more note names to learn, so let's see if we can get these notes down well now, as soon as possible. Now, let's try it with the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. You see he's going through? Just very carefully count it out, play it. Now you may be wondering, I am, like in the first line, remember a line is the whole grand staff together, it's one line. Well, in the second measure, the first C is with left hand, the next one is with right, and the next one is with left again, and then right. Why? Why can't one hand play all of those? And the answer is, there's no reason it can. It's just up to the person who arranged this to decide which hand is going to do what. And they want you to get in the idea that each hand can play that middle C, so they're taking turns. They're just taking turns. That's all it's for. So either hand can play that middle C. Anyway, you go through and you learn it, and get rid of the hesitation so it's a steady beat throughout. You're fine with it. As far as how fast you go, we haven't got into speed yet. Just take it, it's got to be accurate. You think, what happened in the second line? What? The rhythm got all wonky. Well, let's take a look at it. Second line, close, slowly. There, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I'm just taking each note at a time and holding it down for however many beats it gets. So start in the second measure again there. And second line is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. The rhythm can do about anything. You just take it real slow and count it out carefully and just go with it. You think, is this right? I don't know if it's right. Just go with it. The play with me section is the part where you get to check, is it right or not? And let's do that now. Let's play it together very slowly. to make sure you're playing the same note I'm playing when I play it. This way you can check that you got the right note at the right time. The rhythm's okay. Rhythm is the long and short of the notes. That's rhythm in music, yeah. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off.